Good morning, children. Today we will do transitive and intransitive verb. Before starting our topic, we will see some examples. You can see here some sentences. The girls were singing. I have learnt my lesson. The boy kicks the football. The boy laughs loudly. In these sentences, some actions are going on. You can see here. The girls are doing something. What the girls were doing? Singing. I have learnt my lesson. What I do, have learnt. What the boy does, kicks. What the boy does in fourth sentence, laughs. Means all are these actions, singing, learn, kicks, laughs, the subject are doing. Now, first of all, we will see that what is verb. Verb is an action word, you all know that. It tells something about a person or thing. You can see in the above sentences. But one thing we should know that what the verb tells us. Verb tells us generally three things. First is what a person or thing does. For example, we can take one sentence here. Ram goes to school. What Ram does? Ram goes to school. Second is what is done to a person or thing. A letter is written. For example, you can take what is done to a letter. It is written. And what a person or thing is. It is also tell by the verb he is a boy. What he is a boy. Okay, now let's see. You can see here that these sentences has been written in two ways. In first sentence, the girls were singing. After verb, there is nothing. It stops here. Then I have learnt my lesson. I have learnt what? My lesson. The boy kicks the football. The boy kicks what? The football. Here in second and third sentence, the action denoted that it passes over from the subject to the object. The boy laughs loudly. How the boy laughs loudly. But in this sentence you can see that the action is not passing over the object because there is no object. It is the manner how he laughs. It means we can divide the sentences, the verbs in two parts in these four sentences which you have seen in example. First is transitive verb and second is intransitive verb. Today we will talk about only transitive verb. Transitive verb is what? If a doer or a subject passes over the action to the receiver or an object, it is called transitive verb. Means if an action denotes that it passes over from the subject to the object, it is called a transitive verb. And how we will recognize that the action is passing over the object, means how we will recognize the object in a sentence? By some questions. How? Let's see. You can see here some examples given. He kicks the football. And here the question raised that he kicks what? The football. Then second sentence we can take the horse kicked the man. Here the question raised the horse kicked whom? Means the man. Then Ramesh kicked quickly. Here Ramesh kicked how? Not what and whom here the question arises. Here the question is how. Ramesh kicked quickly. Only the manner is described here. Remember one thing, children, that when the question will arise what and whom, it means your sentence is transitive, means your sentence has object. Only the object will give the answer of what and whom, and no other question will be there. Object gives you the answer of what and whom only, means sentence 1 and 2 have objects, the football and the man, but in third sentence there is no object. In this manner you can recognize the object, whether the object is in sentence or not, and you will find that the verb is transitive or not. It means sentence 1 and 2 are the sentence with transitive verb. Means here kicks and kicked are transitive verbs, but in third sentence kicked is intransitive. It is not transitive, because use will say you whether the verb is transitive or intransitive. Some more examples we will see. I forget his name. Here the question arises, I forget what? His name, means this sentence is transitive. He enjoys good health. He enjoys what? Good health. This sentence is transitive. The bell rang loudly. The bell rang how? It means this is not an object, so it is not transitive. It is intransitive. Ring the bell. Ring what? The bell, means transitive. I know him. I know whom? Transitive. Now children, hope you understand transitive verb very well. To learn about intransitive verb, you have to see my next video. Hope you like it. Subscribe my channel, like, comment and share it. Thank you.